Hi everyone, it's Prong here and welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna be doing 3CE lips swatches. I bought all of this all from Yesstyle, so let's get right to it. Final thought, I really like all of these lips color. It fit perfect for warm skin tone or even cool skin tone, but I really think it fits Asian skin tone very well, and I feel like you can't really find those color from any other product. They're very unique, and I really like the lips formula. It's very soft. I would say if you have dry lips, it would dry your lips a little bit. It's very long lasting if you don't eat or doing much around your lips area, but it's not 24 hours long lasting. You would have to reapply, but if you don't mind reapply it, I think it's very perfect. It's matte finish. The texture is very soft and a little bit moisturized, so your lips will feel very good. It's not a dry lip matte that will totally make your lips look like you haven't been drinking water forever. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and let me know what product you would like me to try on. I've been so in love with 3CE lately, and I would love to do more video about 3CE. So please comment below if you like it. Please subscribe and click the like button and comment. Bye.